Metal kids, good day. How we doing? It's Todd from ToJu Racing. Facebook Marketplace was my friend today. We're going to unpack this box of cars and track that I just picked up. There's quite a bit here, a lot more than I expected from the ad. Let me fix the camera here. Hope everybody's doing well. It is Friday. It's a little close. There we go. All right. First of the cars, CR8 Corvette. This is a Ferrari. I don't know the model. This is a GT40. This is a DTM of some sort. This special Mustang. The Audi R8. The Red Bull F1. These are all digital. And there should be one more car somewhere, I thought, but no worries. And then here's all the broken wings. That's cool. So I swear there should be a white car like that, but maybe it's in here somewhere. All right, so we're gonna get these out of the way. Some nice cars in there. I really dig this Audi R8. I really love my Audis, as I have told you. All right. So in here, it looks like we've got tires. There's some tires in here. Interesting. These are all the Carrera tires, so I don't know. But there's some tires in here, and then some various track supports, track clips. Oh, here's your R2s. Wow, look at this. They taped it so they could do the corners better. That's cool. But these are 160s. So a nice pile of your standard curves. And then we've got this piece of the hairpin here. And there's a box. We're gonna get it go inside this one. Okay, we've got. Oh, they bought it from Carrera slots. Yep, sure enough. Bought it on 9/30/21. And this was just some guardrails. That's the funny part. Anyway, no worries. Yeah, we got some guardrail pieces. We got some shoulder action. Some 130 curves. I think there's more of these in there. Ooh, a straight with actual starting lines. That's nice. I painted mine on. Or I didn't paint them on, I used some wire to do mine. And here's some more track clips and apparently a track design. And some more guardrail stuff. More guardrail stuff. All right. This was a surprise. One of the lap counters. 4 1/3. Those are really handy to have. You can never have enough of those. Okay, here's the straights. I don't know how many lane changers are in here. Not that I really need any though. So we got us a 4-way, and then this looks like just straights, if I was gonna guess. So I got all this stuff for $339. Which is quite a deal. Okay, these are all regular straights. Regular straights and one double lane changer. A whole bunch of guardrail rail. More turns. I believe these are more of the, these are 230s. So that's cool. The irregular curves are really nice to have. And here's the wireless dongle. So it came with wireless as well. So we got 2 wireless controllers and the power track. Anyway, you get the idea. Here we go. Here's the other car, the other DTM, BMW. So 8 cars. There's a certain track set that those 2 DTMs came with. And it's got the tire stacks for the bank, power brick. It's the 132 one. I wish it was the 124 one, but that's okay. Big bonus here, a ramjet controller with a huge cord. So that's really cool. I'll have to try this and see if I like it better than my True Speed. I really love my True Speed, but this is something I did not expect. That's a great bonus. All right, so we got the CU, another shoulder. Some more straights. Those are shorter. Holy cow. I don't think I've ever seen these ones before. These look like they're about a foot long. Has anyone ever seen the shorter straights before? That's really cool. All right, here's some more of those, the 1x30s. So we got 6 of those. 6 of the 230s. All right. Some more shoulders. A whole bunch of shoulder pieces here. I think that's for the bank. Or not the bank, the hairpin. Here's the other hairpin piece. Was the hairpin 3 pieces? Oh, apparently it is. So the hairpin's 3 pieces. I did not know that. And then there's that's pretty much it, other than a whole bunch of shoulder corners and stuff. And then a whole bunch of plastic shims. So there we go. This is quite the nice haul, and these 2 pieces are amazing. I don't recall ever seeing these before. These look like they're about 2 1/3 pieces. Yeah. So this is like a 2/3 piece of track. That's really cool. So very cool haul. Very cool haul for the money. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with all this yet. Maybe one of the guys wants a track, and we'll see. But it would be nice to have 2 CUs. I could do the GRL then in the next round, and I could also add another wireless controller downstairs. So that would give me 6 controllers then. The 2 wired and 4 wireless. 2 of the old school ones, and then 2 of the ones, and then that way Hatman can take, because he's going to take his controller anyway when he puts his track up in the future. So anyway, thanks for tuning into this unboxing of my Facebook Marketplace find. If you're looking for more stuff, you really should check on there. You know, Adam got that deal where he got that set with the Cobra and the Cheetah for $40. That was the most insane deal ever. And then Dave got that same set for, I can't remember how much, but, you know, really cool stuff. So anyway, thanks everybody for tuning into this little impromptu unboxing. Have a great day, everybody. Metal. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on.